This coconut crepes recipe has been a family favorite for over 30 years. My kids keep asking me to make it for breakfast at least 3 times per week. It's really great for breakfast, fancy brunch, or just a simple dessert. Welcome to Sweets and Treats channel, my name is Annie and let's start. For these basic French crepes we need milk, warm water, all-purpose flour, melted unsalted butter, eggs, salt, sugar and vanilla extract. In a mixing bowl, combine milk, water, flour, melted unsalted butter, eggs, salt, sugar and vanilla extract. Blend it with hand blender until the mixture will be silky smooth and the consistency of cream. And that's it for the crepe batter. For cooking I'm not greasing the pan, I'm using non-stick crepe pan and there is enough butter in crepe mixture. Place the pan on medium heat and once the pan is hot, pour quarter cup of butter into the center of the pan. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes, then flip as soon as the bottom is set. Transfer the cooked crepe to a large plate and repeat with the remaining butter. If your crepes are sticking, you can definitely use some butter to grease the pan. And now on the top corner you can see my detailed video how to make perfect crepes. For coconut cream we need sour cream, cream cheese, condensed milk and desiccated coconut. In a mixing bowl combine all ingredients and mix it together. Prepare a baking dish. Fold the crepe like I'm showing right now and place it in the baking dish. Do the same with all crepes. Pour the cream on top. Sprinkle some desiccated coconut on top. And that's it. Enjoy every bite of it.